again everyone, this time we have this little Brinks 40mm padlock, as you can see there. Sweet chrome plated one. So I got this in trade off Dr. Bent. You can see that. There's your keyway. Surprised me this wee padlock has some spools on it. So surprised me. It does have working keys, you can see. It's not gluttable or anything like that. There's no screw or anything down there. It'll never focus anyway. Anyway, that's it locked up again. There's the bitting on the keys. You can see there. It's a 5-pinner. As I said, it does have some spools in there. So I'm going to use a wee top keyway tension and a Southard Max shallow hook again. Just going to work from back to front. So we touching pin number 2. And we touch our pin number 1 over into a false set. So we touch on pin 3. There's a wee touch on pin 5. That's just opened. As you can see. There we are. So it's not gluttable, as you can see there. There you go, that's your wee Brinks 40mm padlock. Single pin part. And thanks very much folks, and all the best now. Bye bye.